Hello friends! We are going to play a game called Sounds and Shapes, and the way the game works is there's going to be different movements that are linked to different shapes and different sounds, and so when you hear those sounds or see those shapes, you have to do the movement that corresponds to that sound or shape. And there's different levels, so the rate will speed up, and at some point you might have to remember what shape and what sound corresponds to which movement. So good luck and have fun.
All right, so we are going to begin with shapes. And when you see a green circle appear on the screen, you are going to jog in place just like this. When you see a yellow square appear, you are going to do squats like you can see here. In addition, when you see a blue triangle appear, you are going to do jumping jacks just like you can see here. When you see a red heart appear on the screen, you are going to do ski jumps like you can see here. And we are going to start on level 1. In this level, the shapes will fall onto your screen and they will stay there for a few seconds before they disappear. Level 1 is the easiest of the 3 levels that we're going to do in this game. So get ready. All right, friends, now we are moving on to level 2. This level is the same as level 1, except the shapes are going to move through your screen a little quicker, which means your mind is going to have to work a little faster. Good luck! Now comes level 3, the trickiest of the 3 levels. The speed will be the same as it was in level 2. The difference is you will not be able to reference which shape depicts which action. So let's take one last look and do your best to remember. Here we go. part 2. This time, instead of seeing shapes, you're going to hear sounds that correspond to the movements that you need to do. When you hear a rooster crow, you're going to do half jacks, like this. And when you hear a cow moo, you're going to do pop squats, like this. And when you hear a dog bark, you're going to do up downs, like this. And when you hear a dinosaur growl, you're going to do high knees, like this. And just like in the first part with the shapes, we're going to start with level 1. In this level, there will be lots of time between each of the sounds, and you will be able to see which sound corresponds to which movement the whole time. So let's get started. Here we go. Now we'll be moving on to level 2. In this level, it'll be the same as the first. The only difference is that the sounds will be coming at you a little bit quicker. Good luck!
Now for level 3. Just like in the first part, it'll be at the same speed as in level 2. The only difference is that you won't be able to see which sound goes with which movement. So take one last look before we get started. Good luck.
All right, friends, I hope you had fun playing sounds and shapes. Keep fit and have fun. Bye for now.